Hi everyone. I got a question from one of you guys about how to complete this worksheet. Now, not all students have this worksheet in their math packet. However, if they do, let me walk you through how I want the kids to complete this. And the way that I'm showing you is just an example. You can make up whatever scenario that you want. So whatever is most realistic to you, that's what I want it to be for your students. So let's say that we go to the store and we buy a shirt that costs $10. And then we're going to multiply. So I'm going to go ahead and put the times sign in there. And then let's say that it is 15% off. The amount of discount, and again, your students can use a calculator because I know that I had to, is 1.5. So just have them press it in the calculator exactly as you see here, $10 times 15%, and then they'll get 1.5, which is really equal to $1.50. So then back down here, we're going to take that shirt, $10. And now we're going to subtract the amount of the discount, which is $1.50, which means that obviously before tax, the price that you will pay will be $8.50. And then down here, you pretty much do the same thing. So what is the item price? I'm just going to do the first column for you guys. $10. And then the percentage off is 10%. So $10 times 10% equals $1. So the percentage off is going to be $1. So 10 minus $1 would be $9. And then you would repeat that process for all of these percentages right here. So anyway, I hope that that helps. Again, be creative with it. You don't have to use my example, although you are more than welcome to. But again, just make it most realistic to what your student might go shopping for, and that they may need to find out if it's on sale what the total amount of the discount is going to be, and then what the actual end price, again minus tax, is going to be. So anyway, thanks guys, and I'll be making more of these to help you guys out in the future. See you later.